Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. Glad to come your way this day, the last day of the month of September. I hope you do have a peaceful month. Today I would like to show you one simple strategy that you can use on any pairs at all. It is simple. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Like my video and chat me on my Telegram group. You can use this indicator as a start alone, or you add it to your existing strategy. Make sure you watch the video to the end. I'm going to show you the setting for each indicator in the course of this video. Now let's dive in. Now this is how to use this particular strategy. I have a few indicators that I've combined together, and it's work fine with the settings. As you can see right now, I have two trades running, and they are in profit right now. In profit right now. Okay, so how do I use this particular strategy? I have two indicator here beside the arrow, this deep green and the other green super trend indicator. Now how I use it is here. Just make sure it's simple that the two indicator have the same color. Here is green for a buy. Here we have it red and brown for a sell, and here I have a green. That was why I placed this turn to green earlier, and this confirming, the second indicator confirming at this point. So I placed the trade, as you can see that I placed the trade when the two was in agreement, and I have the two trade running in profit right now. So this is how to use this particular strategy. And the other indicator is this arrow indicator also, just in confirmation of the trend. This gave me arrow first, so I waited for the second indicator, which normally give a signal first, turn to green, that's confirming the duration of this arrow, and then later the last indicator confirmed it. So at this point I place order for this particular trade that is running, and here again you can use the arrow for continuation. We are in sell from this particular point. From this particular point, the two indicator was in agreement at this particular point. So this arrow gave us another signal here at this point, continuation of the trend. Here we have the first sell at this particular point, and we have a small pullback and the continuation again downward. So you can use this arrow for continuation of the main trend. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple, and anyone can use it. You can use it on any time frame you want, and here is it on the 5-minute time frame. Still the same 5-minute time frame. It give us signal earlier at this point compared to 15-minute from where I enter my trade. Here is it, and your stop loss just a few pips below the previous low. This is the previous low before this signal was generated, before we have everything in agreement. So we put the stop loss just few pips below the previous low, few pips below this point, and that's how to use it. So you can use it on any time frame you want, and here is it on 1 hour. So use it on any time frame that you feel comfortable with. Yes, 1 minute, and you can do the same thing, scalp in the direction of 15 minutes on 1 minute, and this is a good strategy. So I've secured my profit already. I've secured for both. So it's actually running in profit. So I have like a more than $200 from this trade that is running. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can test it on many pairs. So you can test on any pair you want, still work fine. And let's see, go this morning, go this on the it's on the move right now. So it has been up for 2 days since yesterday, and this is a good strategy. At this point we have a gold in an uptrend since yesterday, and still there right now, just a small pullback, this turn to brown, then to green again to place order for more trade. So you can check the history, it worked fine. Also on good, here's it on 15 minutes, it worked fine, and you have a lot of place or point to place more trade for sell. This was the first sell at this point. We have the first sell here, then the continuation, add to it with the arrow, add to your running trade with the arrow. And that is how to use this particular strategy. It is a good one. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Now let me show you the setting for this particular indicator. Let me show you. So the first one is super trend indicator, super trend, and the super trend period is 20, and super trend multiplier is 2.0. So here is the color. You can decide to change the color. I have a brown, yellow, fire bricks, and green, and this is the color. This is it. This indicator here, the brown, the yellow, and the green. And once you set it, just click OK. If you like change the color, if you like the way it is, you can just leave it like that. So once you are done, just click OK. The second one is super trend also, but this time around the period is CCI period, which is 50, and ATR period, which is 5. You can adjust this setting for it to give you signal early, but I use it so that we know the signal has been confirmed before it change. I don't want it to change with the previous super trend indicator. I do not want it to change like that. I want it to confirm the trend of super trend, so that I will know I'm in good trend. So it does not change the way super trend indicator change. So once you are done, just click OK, and here's the color. We have lime and red. So once you change it, you just click OK, change the setting, and you can play with the setting also. But I think this is okay for me. You click OK, and the pivot, just leave it the way it is. Just leave it the way it is. If there's anything you want to change, you can turn it on and off here. So, and last indicator that I'm going to use is this one, the S1_MA indicator. The fast mode is 1, faster MA is 3, and slower mode is 1, and slower MA is 5. Once you do that, just click OK. You can change the color of the arrows. This is where you change the color of the arrow, and once you've done that, just click OK. I believe many of you that have subscribed to my YouTube channel for many days or follow me on Telegram, you have this indicator already. This is where to add indicator or pairs to this particular indicator. How many pairs do you want? You can add it here manually, and here pair size including previous and service for manual pairs is 10 for this particular, for my broker. But your broker might be 4, it might be 6. If it does not have this dot cash at the back, it might be 6. This is GER40, this is 5, and SAUSD is 6. So it will be advisable to put 6 here instead of 10. But because I have 10 here, if you count it US30, that's 4, dot is 5, the cash is 9 plus comma, that is 10, and that's why I've put 10 there. Here you can put it auto. When if you put it auto, it's going to select put all the pairs you have on the platform there. But when you want to trade few pairs, you can turn it to manual, and that's why you have it at manual. Select pair display option, manually select pair. So because I selected the pairs that I want, so you can use comma after you write it, you input it there. So if you don't have this one, you can chat me up, because I do not attach it to the main indicator, the folder you are going to get. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It works fine on any pair that you want to trade it on. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified each time I drop a useful strategy. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.